YouTube? Back with another nighttime POV in the Scattiana. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese. As you said, a couple seconds ago, we're here with another nighttime POV. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, family member, share with anybody. You know what I'm saying? We on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, that's the plan for the day. Hope y'all enjoy. I ain't gonna do too much talking today. Listen to the sound of that. Woo. Now we are in unfamiliar territory, so kind of trying to pay attention. Like, I know where I am, but I don't know where I am, type deal. And it's dark as shit, because I guess this side just don't believe in fucking street lights, and when they do, it's like a couple at a fucking time. You cut them joints on, which really don't do shit, but shit. I need something, bro. God damn, I can't see shit. Look at all these pedestrian spots. It's just crazy though that it could be like hundreds and hundreds of cars on the road every day, and you stroll past, and every single one of them got a fucking person in it that got like something in their life going on. This fucking bot just stopped in the middle of the street. Now the good thing about this road though, it is straight, but bro, it's like I don't know what the fuck is coming next, because it's so goddamn dark on this fucking road. Damn, Mexico, add some goddamn street lights, B. What the fuck? Why is it so goddamn dark? Jesus. Like, look at this shit. It's like I'm in some fucking horror movie or something. That's crazy. I'm relying on a fucking map right there. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but yeah, I'm relying on the damn map to fucking tell me what's coming next in the road. This shit too damn dark. And then I might be saying, oh, it's the tent dark as hell, tent dark as hell. Shut the fuck up. It ain't the goddamn tent. I can see perfectly fine on the other side of Mexico. But on this side of Mexico, I can't see jack shit. So, this side of Mexico needs to add some goddamn street lights for the automobiles, so that, you know what I'm saying, one of us can see. Because here in this big, thick thonka, I need to be able to see. Cause this big motherfucker just, I don't know, just something wrong with the pedal. It just like, I don't know. And whenever I push it, it make like this little whine noise. I don't know. I kind of like it though. And they say boats can't take corners. Boats can take corners, my boy, all day long. It's not the car, it's the driver. But yes, I'm trying to get more consistent this 2024. With the POVs, the vlogs, all type of stuff. We'll be making a vlog channel, so just be on the lookout for that. I might change the name to this channel and then make a vlog channel with the same name. But, we'll see what happens. We'll see how life goes. It's 2024. I'm trying to be way more consistent. I got a lot of goals, and I'm making this video now to stamp that I got goals. So yeah, this year You know what I'm saying? Because anything is possible. It's only take one good year, one good video, and boom, your whole life can change. So my goals for this year, I want to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. I feel like that's doable in a year if I put it into work. And this video here is going to do that. Because the last video I uploaded got me 500 views. And I gained, I think, 15 subscribers. So if you are new here, thank you. Don't forget, drop a like, comment your favorite color, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. My next video, I do promise to be a head mount. So yeah, be on the lookout for that as next video. I ain't gonna put no time on it because I kind of got some stuff cooking up for the channel too that's really gonna take off, and you know what I'm saying, stamp me in this here car world. Hopefully I can meet some good people, you know what I'm saying, have some good experiences this year. And yeah, just hope y'all here on the car channel to see it and enjoy it with me, you know. So yeah, honest money. Man, I wish I could play like some music, you know. It's just kind of boring sitting here holding this and shit. No music going on. Kind of like meh, you know. Oh, maybe I could play like some fucking non-copyright fucking beats or something, but then it wouldn't be no lyrics, and then I think that'd take away from y'all experience of hearing this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because who don't want to hear this, you know? Why are you breaking at a green light, bot? Come on, man, keep going. Oh yeah, we got a quick release dash too. You know what I'm saying? Quick release dash. Yeah, I was doing something, ended up breaking a fucking piece of plastic. And yeah, now we stuck with the quick release dashboard, which is pretty cool though. No, it's not, but you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna rock out with it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Ooh. Finally, nothing in front of us. Mexico is so fun. Nice windy roads, you know what I'm saying? It's just good nighttime action, you know what I'm saying? Not really a lot of traffic. It's not really that late in Mexico. It's only 10 o'clock, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? Not too late, not too early, you know what I'm saying? All the bots off the road, but some other bots are on the road now. And regularly streets in Mexico, these by far gotta be the worst fucking streets in all of Mexico. Now, I know y'all wondering why I keep saying this might be another nighttime POV drive, because actually this is the second nighttime POV drive that I had recorded. Because I had one recorded, but I didn't really like that one too much, so I kind of decided to scrap it and not use it. Just out the fact that I feel like I could have done better with the content. So why give y'all half-ass content? That's, you know what I'm saying, defeating the whole purpose. And it's not like it hurt me. I like driving, so, you know, it's just like, you know what I'm saying, I just learned to do some stuff differently now. Woo! God, I love this car, bro. saying? Everybody got their therapy. Mine just happens to be either music or cars, bro. And I prefer when I mix the two, because music inside the car when you driving is just like the most therapeutic thing you could probably like have. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I would do if they just did not have music anymore. If all the music on earth just disappeared, bro, I'd probably go crazy, or like try to make music in my own way. Then like I'd probably try to make my own songs, because like I don't know, I just need music, bro. Like instruments, sounds, beats, you know what I'm saying, 808s, everything. It just, I don't know, that plus a car ride, bro, is just like so crazy. It's just so nice, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice, good POV drive, man. Ooh, we look cut up action. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy though. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, Hundreds, money. That's how my day goes. Shout out to LG Clanny. That nigga makes some good ass music, bro. That's one of my favorite artists to listen to when I'm driving. Drop in the comments down below if you still made it this far in the video. Drop down your top 5 artists to listen to when you drive. And if you want to go the extra mile, drop when you like to listen to them. Whether you cruising late night, you got a vibe, got a little date, you know what I'm saying? Is that when you like to listen to them? Do you like to listen to them when you know what I'm saying, allegedly going a little bit over the speed limit? Do you like to listen to them? You know what I'm saying? When do you like listening to them? When is your ideal time to listen to them? And I'm going to try and take a look at some of y'all picks down below and try and incorporate some of their songs, music into my list. Money, that's how my day go. Woo. This car here, man, I ain't gonna lie, this is like heaven. You just gotta love it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, you just gotta love it, bro. It's just, it just do something to me, you know? It just do something to me. And man, I wouldn't trade it in for the world. You know, they out there like, oh, get a Hellcat. You go buy a fucking Hellcat and give it to me then. You know what I'm saying? You so rich. This what I got. This what I drive. Eventually we gonna get that Hellcat. Oop. Damn. Running red lights in Mexico. Cause it's a little hot in the Scatpack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. do? What'd he do? Oh my goodness. Hold on, one more time. Oh my God. That's just my favorite sound. Like, the exhaust work, they just, Ooh. It's just, they just did it so perfect. And even with this being stock, it's just like, just sound like a Hellcat. Like, this is just, oh my God, I hope the audio picking it up. If not, it's a little too hot in it, bitch. Little hot. And just say, papi, chill out, give me a couple seconds. Goddamn, you beating on neons, stop it. I'm sorry, bro, it's just too fun. It's just too fun, bro. Like, shit. Nobody told you to be this fucking fun. It's almost too good. It's too good. It's too good, buddy. It's too good. Oh no, buddy. Goddamn, I need a goddamn stabilizer. My goddamn hand's shaking like a bitch. Maybe I should try cinematic mode. Let me see. I'm gonna try cinematic mode. Hold on, y'all. Okay, now we in cinematic mode. Now, cinematic mode got it a little more zoomed than I had it, but Ooh. I think it makes it less shaky though, so we're gonna see. Oh, it says more light required. I don't know, bro. We're gonna go back to the other one though. Now, we back. I tried cinematic mode. I'm gonna insert that clip in there somewhere. Ooh-wee. But yeah, that does conclude today's POV drive. Hope you guys do enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Shit get vicious in the trenches over here, boy, you gon' die. Snakes and rats up in the city, better watch how you survive. I've been lurked up in the city.